Have you ever seen the ESC light pop up on your dashboard and wondered what it means? Does it signal a serious issue or just a minor fix? In this video, I'll break down the most common causes of the ESC warning light and what you need to do about it. 1. Accidentally disabled ESC. Many cars allow you to turn ESC on or off. Sometimes, it gets turned off by mistake, causing the light to appear, but this doesn't always mean there's a problem. 2. Mismatched tires. Your tires need to have the same size and tread pattern. If they don't, the ESC system can misread the road conditions and trigger the light. 3. Faulty wheel speed sensor. This sensor monitors wheel movement. If it malfunctions, often due to a damaged wheel bearing, it can cause the ESC system to misfire. 4. Normal ESC activation. The ESC light might flash when driving over gravel or accelerating hard. This is normal and doesn't indicate an issue. 5. Faulty steering angle sensor. This sensor helps the ESC system understand your steering input. If it fails, your car may struggle to regain control in emergencies, triggering the ESC warning. 6. Faulty ABS module. Since the ESC system relies on the ABS module, a failure here can prevent both from functioning correctly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Have questions? Drop a comment below, and I'll respond. Don't forget to subscribe for more car troubleshooting tips.